the MOOC students plan their journey. Typically, students who are with MOOCs, they have a very systematic career charting and planning, because we have students from at least 9 different countries. Okay, so what students with MOOCs they do, in the year 1 and year 2 they prepare for USMLE step 1 and appear the exam in the first year. Some of you might be wondering why I mentioned 6 years, because there are certain colleges across the globe, Russia, Ukraine, or where there's a 6-year program. Broadly understand what I'm saying: preclinical, paraclinical, and clinical. So people with MOOCs, they do their USMLE for first, second year, appear in third, first. Then that's it. They focus on the next examination, because without that, I will not get a license. So immediately after that, they will focus on the next examination. And once the next exam is cleared, in the internship year is when you will be worried about the USMLE step 2 CK and step 2 CS, not before that. So this planning is very important. Currently on our platform, there are almost 650 students who are from the first year, because they are very clear. Their journey is very clear that ultimately destination is America, but you need to plan things well. And the advantage is, because they do it parallelly, they are saving a lot of years of their life. Otherwise, step 1 itself take 1 extra year. If you follow what your seniors are doing, you will waste 1 year here. Then you will focus on your next exam. If you don't clear next in first attempt, 1 year you will waste here, and another 1 year for CKCS. So you might waste 3 years of your career if you are not going to plan systematically. So even if you are in first year, second year, or third, first year, right now, immediately focus on the step 1 examination. This goal has to be clear. Now again, unfortunately, due to YouTube videos and certain, these companies, I don't know why people in the final year, they suddenly, get a nirvana feeling and get awareness that we have to study about USMLE. And what they do, they start preparing for CK. I mean, final year is your foundation of your entire career. You should not mix the final year with USMLE. Especially 2017 batch onwards, you guys have to give the next exam. So how can you even think about CK examination? CK has to be given importance only in internship year. So again, unfortunately, they get calls from Pune, Hyderabad, and people tell them, if you're a final year, do CK. No, you should not. USMLE is not for everyone. It requires a lot of planning and it requires a lot of strategy. So, if these things are actually missing, it's going to be difficult. If you are in second year, as I told you, anybody in first year, second year can immediately start the step 1. Okay, if you are ending your first year, then forget about USMLE right now. But if you are in first year, second year, or starting the first, immediately start your step 1 preparation. That should be your goal. Renuka is asking, why can't we return from Germany? The reason is, Renuka, the German training completely happens in German language. So MCI does not recognize, because you will be learning each and everything in German language. So, we are not sure how will you practice with that German language knowledge in India. So MCI says that you should have your education in English language only. So that is the thing at a PG level. Okay.